Okay, let's take a look up here. There's a really nice deck out front, which is perfect for relaxing on a day like today to get nice and tan. Now come on inside. Okay, so we've got 3 beds, 2 baths, nice open floor plan, really big living room here. Off to this side, we're gonna take a look at the primary bedroom. Lots of fans in here. Even though it's super hot outside, it's already cool in here right now. Lots of fans. Just take a look in the bathroom there. You've got a separate garden tub and a stand-up shower, walk-in shower. As we come back here to the other side of the house, there's 2 other good-sized bedrooms. Now, one cool thing about this house is that all 3 closets are walk-in, so you've got plenty and plenty of closet space. Nice bedroom there. Another big one here. All 3 of the bedrooms are really big, so unlike a lot of 3-bedroom houses, you're not gonna have one of the bedrooms that's a lot smaller than the other, so plenty of space. No complaints from anybody on who's got the little room because they're all big. Full bath here. This will be your guest bath and will be shared by these 2 bedrooms. And we got a nice little dining room here. Kitchen with a butcher block countertop and room for 3 to 4 stools over here. Now, the kitchen, a little bit outdated. This refrigerator here, you should get rid of today. As soon as you close, you can even ask us to get it out of here before you close. Stainless steel dishwasher. And then over here, we've got a laundry room off the back of the kitchen. Laundry room here, washer, dryer. And let's take a step outside. You do have a 1-car concrete parking pad here. Now don't get too excited about these sheds because they are leaving. Tenants just vacated the property. They are coming back to get those. They literally just left today. My favorite part about this house is this huge fenced yard. So we are on well and septic. The roof was replaced just a couple of years ago. You've got vinyl siding, so very low maintenance on this house. And all this room for activities. And if you step over here, this needs a little bit of work to make this sink function, but you got a built-in sink, you've got plumbing. The water might be on, I don't know, it's cut off right now by the shut-off switch. And I would paint this and clean it up a bit, but you got a pizza oven. So you got a built-in grill pizza oven out here. Your septic drain field is off to this side, which most importantly, for somebody who's gonna buy this house and wants to be close to the water, is that that's not gonna affect up here, which is where you're gonna park your stuff. If I bought this house, there would be an RV and a boat and a wave runner right there. So this is 5729 South Leopard Point, Homosassa, just a few minutes from Homosassa Springs, priced at $169,900. If you're interested or you have a buyer who's interested, call me, Joel Colley, today.